Before you spend money on the Tinnito Pen, you need to hear this first. Tinnitus is a frustrating condition that makes people desperate for relief, and that's exactly why products like the Tinnito Pen are getting so much attention online. It's advertised as a device that can supposedly stop tinnitus instantly using something called neuromuscular stimulation, which sounds impressive at first. But when you start looking deeper into the details, things become a lot less convincing. I decided to take a closer look at how this device is being marketed, what it actually does, and what real buyers should know before ordering. The sales pages make some very bold promises about fast results and life-changing relief. But tinnitus is a complex medical condition, and there's currently no proven device that can instantly stop it with a simple pen-like tool. Another thing that stood out during my research is the lack of credible clinical studies or verified medical proof supporting these claims. While the marketing materials often show logos of well-known media outlets or endorsements that look official, there's very little evidence confirming that these features are real or legitimate. I also noticed that some buyers have mentioned a VIP subscription attached to the purchase, which can lead to recurring monthly charges if you're not paying close attention to the terms. Those details sometimes appear in very small fine print, making it easy to miss during checkout. On top of that, the device itself appears very similar to generic tools that are widely available through wholesale marketplaces at a much lower cost, which raises questions about whether the product is simply being rebranded and sold at a higher price. There are also many online reviews that look overly polished or repetitive, which can sometimes be a sign of automated or promotional testimonials rather than genuine user experiences. At the end of the day, the Tinnito Pen is one of many products targeting people dealing with tinnitus. So it's important to approach the marketing claims carefully, do your own research, and make sure you fully understand what you're buying before making any decision.